Hey everybody, welcome back to a new episode of Nick Plays the Wolf Online. As I was bitching about in my previous vlog about phones just being way too damn big. Let me kill these stupid things first. Damn it all. Yeah, it astonishes me how the smallest iPhone you can get right now is 5.4-inch screen. It's just ridiculous. I remember back in the OG days, the average screen size was like 3 to 4 inches. The iPhone screen was 3.5 inches all the way until the iPhone 5 came out. Then it went up to 4 inches, and that was still considered a large screen at the time. The only phone makers that dared to step into territory of 5 to 5.5 inches was the Galaxy Note. And everyone was just bitching about it. Like, everyone was saying, damn, this phone is way too big. And keep in mind, at the time, that the original Galaxy Note, I believe, was like 5.5 inches. 5.5 inches. People were saying that was massive back then. Give me a break. A 5.5-inch screen in today's day and age is considered small. Boy, have times changed. With the majority of flagship phones and even a lot of, like, just most phones in general, even mid-range phones, the average screen size that you're going to find is at least 6 inches or more. Most of these flagship phones are like 6.5 to 6.8 inches. Stupid. Yeah, like the minimum screen size is somewhere between 6 to 6.9 inches for just about every major every flagship phone that comes out. Like, you're not going to see a flagship phone nowadays that's less than a 6-inch screen. It's ridiculous. There's only one flagship phone right now that I know of that is under a 6-inch screen, and that's the iPhone Mini. And even though that may be considered a flagship phone, it's not like the top tier phone. Like, that's more of like mid-range, upper mid-range, because it has a flagship processor, sure, but I would still consider the iPhone Mini to be like more of an upper middle range device. It's only $600, I think $600. $6 or $7, I don't remember. I think you can find deals on the iPhone Mini for like $500. You bastard. Yep. Who's a bitch? Who we got new? Kill 5 champions. Kill, okay. Going back to Dark Forest then, I guess. Gotta do this stupid daily task. Eat my ass. Champions everywhere. Where is it? Where's the champion? die again so I know where it is. Damn it. Okay. Where is it? I think it's on the corner left. Yep. Probably not gonna make it in time. Jaguars suck. I hate when that happens. They take forever to kill it, but literally right as I get to it, it's already gone. Really, bitch? You can go fuck yourself. Fucking asshole. Ran all the way over there for nothing. Oh, hey, no champion no more. Beauty, I made up for lost time. These tasks where you gotta kill hundreds of things at once take forever. I get 7,500 points for it. Really, bitch. In that time, I could have gotten like 60,000 points in the time it took me to get 100 kills. This is stupid. Could have given me like quadruple the amount of points to kill that much stuff. The thing I hate about the tasks, they don't stay consistent with your levels. The higher level you get, the more tokens and XP you need. But the stupid tasks keep giving you the same amount of tokens and XP. It's worthless. I'm home alone again. I'm always home alone again. Everybody's sick. So many people died. Cannot believe all these people died. Stupid virus. Stupid virus is still out there killing people. Yahoo! Yeah! This is a real boy! I always gotta die before I get there. Oh, damn it, I wanted to rape that stupid thing. My supply of syrup was dangerously low. As I poured my last drop of syrup on my waffle, I farted.
I love cheese. Da, da, da. I love cheese.
Jeez Louise! Why can't you go down the hill? In Evil Lands, you can drop off the edge of any cliff. On here, there's so many invisible walls. Why are there so many invisible walls? I like cheese. Oh yes, I do. I like cheese. Yeah, well, why can they go over there, but I can't? Screw you. I have an obsession with cheese. Oh yes, I do. Oh yeah, no champion. Get caught. Let's see how loud this one is. Come on, that was a grumbly stomach fart. That one sucked. Oh, I couldn't even hear it. Why is it? This is another thing that annoys me. Why are all my farts loud and obnoxious as hell? But the times I want to record it, they're practically silent. What the fuck is up with that? Smells like beans and spoiled milk in here now. Fucking hell. I'm gonna finish this task because I keep getting distracted. No wonder it takes forever to level up. All you need is Bruce. Bruce so horny, he love you long time.
Still need 38 more kills, boys.
Go. Overkill, but okay. Should have saved it for this asswipe.
Not like I need it.
I still killed him anyway. Tap beer. That name just makes me think of tapioca pudding for some reason, because I'm just kind of glancing over the name and it just looks like tapioca. Damn, watch where you're going, asshole. Well, hope you enjoyed watching today's episode of Nick Plays The Wolf Online. Alright, take care, all you laddies.